While doing our design projects, we also analyze different architects and their works, and rethink their missions and visions in terms of what makes them different from other architects. This seminar helps us focus on architecture's core competence and strategic objectives, and improve our ability to describe concepts and outcomes clearly and concisely. In the design projects, we thought about the strategy of ratio and social distance, and we also focused on using the agent simulation as a design tool. These are my main design concepts. To increase the surface with air, to use multiple engines to separate different cohorts, and different cohorts have different special characteristics according to their activities. In the particle simulation, we can see that agents enter from different entrances and gather towards the central function point, forming the void spaces. And these voids, on the one hand, can increase the contact area with air, on the other hand, can separate different cohorts. This strategy is based on the analysis of the president, the London's penguin pool. We can see that visitors move from different directions toward the oval penguin pool and gather around the window. The voids are formed between the windows, and the contour of the path where the crowd gathers increases the surface area. Based on the president, I add several different functional modules such as fitness, grocery, retail, diner, and so on. And then I do the simulation. We can see that people move towards different function pools with different activities to form the 2D path. According to the 2D pattern, I find the gaps were guaranteed between different modules, and these gaps become the void space in my design, and circulation connects entrance and function area directly. Then I move the function modules to different levels to make the 3D patterns according to the 2D pattern. The people are divided into two cohorts, the nest workers, the purple one, and the mixed users, the green one. According to their circulation, I can get the 3D patterns. This concept is also response on my Hawthorn headquarter project. In this project, there are three groups of people, networkers, nest workers, and remote workers, and they enter through different entrances and do not interfere with each other. Also, multiple entrants separate cohorts corresponding to different activities according to the ratio of area to perimeter. This is also reflected in my Burbank mixed-use project. This is the office and all hands-up space. This is the beauty and fitness area. They all have different ratios. This is a diner and grocery. Then I add in the ramps to finish the whole circulation. Different cohorts will choose different circulation engines. After that, I got the whole volume. The rest spaces are the voids, the yellow one. The void space increases the surface to access to the fresh air, so I opened the main window on this surface. For the circulation design, in the Hawthorn headquarter project, I designed the location of ramp and stairs according to the density of agents aggregation. The Burbank mixed-use project, I divided the crowd into nest workers and mixed users. The two groups of people enter different entrances when they arrive at the same function spaces, in order to reduce interference. And the agent simulation design tool helped me test this and find the position of the engines. From the dashboard on the top, we can see that the average distance between agents gradually increases after entering the building, which reduces the concern about people being too close to strangers. 5 real areas through this building have different views and spatial characteristics. As you move through the building, you can see multiple views of different spaces, and all these spaces maximize the area of contact with the air. I think this can improve the quality of the building. In the shared space, we can see that different cohorts are in the different areas, but they also have the visual communication with each other.